Welcome to ACECert. In this video, we will be discussing practice exam questions for Google Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer Certification Exam. Question 1. Your application artifacts are being built and deployed via a CI/CD pipeline. You want the CI/CD pipeline to securely access application secrets. You also want to more easily rotate secrets in case of a security breach. What should you do? A. Prompt developers for secrets at build time. Instruct developers to not store secrets at rest. B. Store secrets in a separate configuration file on Git. Provide select developers with access to the configuration file. C. Store secrets in cloud storage encrypted with a key from Cloud KMS. Provide the CI/CD pipeline with access to Cloud KMS via IAM. D. Encrypt the secrets and store them in the source code repository. Store a decryption key in a separate repository and grant your pipeline access to it. Option C is the winner. Store secrets in cloud storage encrypted with a key from Cloud KMS. Provide the CI/CD pipeline with access to Cloud KMS via IAM. This is correct because it leverages Google Cloud's robust security features for secret management. Cloud KMS provides centralized key management, enabling easy rotation and revocation in response to security incidents. Cloud storage encrypts the secrets at rest, and IAM grants your CI/CD pipeline access without hard-coding keys, following the principle of least privilege. Now let's look at why the other options don't cut it. Option A, prompting developers for secrets, is a major security risk. You're exposing secrets to developers and relying on manual input, which is prone to errors. Option B, storing secrets in a separate Git configuration file, still leaves them vulnerable, even with limited access. Git repositories can be compromised. Option D, encrypting secrets in the source code and storing the decryption key separately, adds unnecessary complexity. You're still managing keys manually, and it doesn't provide the robust, centralized management of Cloud KMS. Cloud KMS allows for easy rotation and fine-grained access control, making option C the most secure and manageable choice. Question 2. Your company follows site reliability engineering practices. You are the person in charge of communications for a large ongoing incident affecting your customer-facing applications. There is still no estimated time for a resolution of the outage. You are receiving emails from internal stakeholders who want updates on the outage, as well as emails from customers who want to know what is happening. You want to efficiently provide updates to everyone affected by the outage. What should you do? A. Focus on responding to internal stakeholders at least every 30 minutes. Commit to next update times. B. Provide periodic updates to all stakeholders in a timely manner. Commit to a next update time in all communications. C. Delegate the responding to internal stakeholder emails to another member of the incident response team. Focus on providing responses directly to customers. D. Provide all internal stakeholder emails to the incident commander and allow them to manage internal communications. Focus on providing responses directly to customers. Option B is the correct answer. Provide periodic updates to all stakeholders in a timely manner. Commit to a next update time in all communications. This is correct because it aligns with SRE principles of transparency and consistent communication. It ensures all affected parties, both internal and external, are kept informed, managing expectations and reducing anxiety during an incident. Committing to a next update time provides accountability and prevents repeated inquiries. Option A. Focusing on responding to internal stakeholders every 30 minutes neglects your customers. Customer communication is crucial during an incident. Option C and D. Delegating internal stakeholder emails miss the point of a unified communication strategy. You need to keep everyone informed consistently. Simply focusing on customer communication while ignoring the internal stakeholders creates an information gap and can increase the length of time needed to resolve an issue. Regular updates with committed next update times, as in option B, ensure transparency and manage expectations effectively for both internal and external parties. Question 3. Your team uses Cloud Build for all CI/CD pipelines. You want to use the kubectl builder for Cloud Build to deploy new images to Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE. You need to authenticate to GKE while minimizing development effort. What should you do? A. Assign the container developer role to the Cloud Build service account. B. Specify the container developer role for Cloud Build in the cloudbuild.yaml file. C. Create a new service account with the container developer role and use it to run Cloud Build. D. Create a separate step in Cloud Build to retrieve service account credentials and pass these to kubectl. Option A is the right choice. Assign the container developer role to the Cloud Build service account. This is correct because it's the simplest and most efficient way to grant the necessary permissions to the Cloud Build service account. The container developer role provides the required permissions to deploy to GKE using kubectl, enabling the pipeline to function correctly without unnecessary complexity. Option B, specifying the container developer role in the cloudbuild.yaml file, is incorrect. Roles are assigned at the account level, not within the build configuration file. Option C, creating a new service account with the container developer role, is unnecessary and adds complexity. You're creating and managing an extra service account when the default Cloud Build service account can be used. Option D, creating a separate step in Cloud Build to retrieve service account credentials, is also overly complicated and introduces potential security risks. The simplest and most efficient approach is to grant the required permissions directly to the default Cloud Build service account, as in option A. For a full list of practice questions, drop an email at acert6@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.